Do you absolutely love your Norwex products? And is free your favorite price? And do you have a few people who come to mind who maybe aren't yet using Norwex products and you know how much it could bless their life? If you said yes to these, definitely consider hosting a Norwex event. Now you can host your event in person. I love doing the in-persons. You can host them online in the Facebook or Messenger space, or we can do like a texting, almost a catalog party that we do through texting. So there's a lot of options, Zoom even, I've done Zoom parties. However it is you would like to share with your friends, I wanna walk you through everything you can earn in February 2026. Norwex is so generous and they love to bless their hosts and say thank you for sharing it with the people who you know are going to benefit, okay? So let's start, just take a look at the February host rewards here. So first of all, the main part of the host rewards are what's called host discount, which is basically a shopping spree. You get to go and shop with this money and purchase the Norwex products that you want for your house. So maybe you want to get the skincare set. Maybe you want the new products, like honestly, the new product launched just now, the body lotion, the refill for that, the back scrubber, the body mitt, it's amazing. And probably the top thing that my hosts love to earn for free with their party host perks is the mop system, all right? So depending on your party sales, you get 10% back in those host perks. But when you host a show, typically one of your people, one of your guests, or two or three say, I think I want to do this and I would love to earn some free, and I have people in my life who really need to know about Norwex. At which point that first booking is going to unlock, at most levels, it's double or more of the host discount rewards, okay? Also, once you hit that $250 in sales, you, the host, are gonna get free shipping. Super cool. If you host a show and one of your guests, and this can actually be you as well, fun fact, if one of your guests decides, you know what, I think I just want to jump in and become a consultant, and they do that from your party, at your party, you get another $50 in the host spree. And then for each booking, you get an additional half off item. Now, for half off items, a lot of my hosts like to buy, it only is single items technically, but a lot of people buy that toilet brush where right there. That's a great half off item, or the counter cloth house set. Also, the bath towel is super popular. So you get to use that. Now, in addition to that main part of the host rewards, this month in February, Norwex is making it even better. When you have a $500 party, you get the first bag of your cute travel set. Now I'm getting ready to go on our Norwex trip to Costa Rica. I can't wait. And you better bet I am bringing my travel bags. They're so perfect. So you get this travel bag and you get the vitamin C serum, little capsules to protect them and preserve that golden vitamin C. We all know that that is such a win for our skin. And then with a $1,000 party and a booking, you get the matching carry-all travel bag. I love this because it's kind of messy because I'm actually bringing it with me. But you can hang it in the hotel and it's all zippy, and then I put my skincare in this. This is so awesome. And you can earn that for free, as well as another specialty serum, our bakuchiol serum, which is really a replacement for retinol and some of the downside of retinol. And fun, if this is the first time you've hosted in the past couple of years, then I believe you also will unlock the biocellulose deep hydration mask. This is so delicious for your skin, and there's extra serum in it, so I pour that into a serum bottle and I just keep using it. So this is what you can earn completely free from Norwex, and then of course plus those half off items if you want to use them. They are a total bonus, but not a requirement. Look at everything that you get for free as a thank you from Norwex for sharing with your people. If you're working with a consultant, reach out to them and let them know, hey, I want to do a show, and let them know where and how you would like to party and find a date that works. Or if you're working with me as your consultant, reach out to me, 830-255-7570. If we're local, let's do it in person. They're very, very fun. And we always love a reason just to get together, right? But otherwise, I definitely can get you all hooked up on an online or a texting, like scrolling. I call it my Norwex Express party, so that your friends can check that from their phone, shop, and you can earn the rewards. All right, I can't wait to hear from you. I can't wait for you to get a ton of Norwex for free, whether it's the mop, the new products, the skincare, maybe you want to get the basics to gift to someone. Whatever it is, I am excited that we get to bless you with this incredible host plan.